Welcome to Korean pronunciation practice. Today, we will learn 14 Korean sounds by combining one vowel ah with 14 different consonants. Let's get started. Let's practice the vowel sound first. Say it with me.
아, 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 아.
Now, let's combine giok with ah. Giok plus ah makes ka. Repeat after me.
가, 가, 가,
Next, nyun plus ah makes na. Repeat after me.
나, 나, 나,
Now, digut plus ah makes da. Repeat after me.
다, 다, 다,
Next, real plus ah makes ra. Repeat after me.
라, 라, 라,
Now, mion plus ah makes ma. Repeat after me.
마, 마, 마,
Next, biot plus ah makes ba. Repeat after me.
바, 바, 바,
Now, shot plus makes sa. Repeat after me.
사, 사, 사,
Next, iong plus makes a. Repeat after me.
아, 아, 아,
Now, jiot plus makes ya. Repeat after me.
자, 자, 자,
Next, chut plus makes kya. Repeat after me.
차, 차, 차,
Now, kyuk plus makes ka. Repeat after me.
카, 카, 카,
Next, tigut plus makes ta. Repeat after me.
타, 타, 타,
Now, pio plus makes pa. Repeat after me.
파, 파, 파,
Finally, hut plus makes ha. Repeat after me.
하, 하, 하.
Great job! You've just learned 14 Korean syllables with the vowel ah. Practice them again anytime, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Korean lessons.